Hi, okay, this video we're going to have a little look at what is a domain name. Now, basically, the answer is quite straightforward. A domain name is this thing you see up at the top when you're looking at a website. I've just highlighted it here. Just wave my cursor around a bit. On my website, the domain name is abisti.co.uk. On, say, the BBC website up here, it's bbc.co.uk. Say Amazon, amazon.com is the domain name. Okay, the www bit is not part of the domain name. The domain name is just the individual identity bit, really. So a domain name is what your website's called. It's also your website address, essentially. And we all need one of these for a website. Now, there's various questions people come to me with. They say, I've bought .co.uk, do I need .com, for instance? And I would say, not usually, unless you have stumbled across something that is amazingly brilliant. Then all these stories that people are going to sort of steal the .com just because you've got the .co.uk, very, very unlikely, I would say. But I don't want to be legally liable for that, just in case someone ever did. If you wanted to be safe, you can buy them both, but you do not need them both. Okay. Domain names come in various kind of guises. You have .com. For Britain, you have .co.uk. There is also .net, .org, and so on and so forth. If you're doing a business website, I would very much suggest that you go with either .com if you're looking for international, or .co.uk if you're specifically looking at a UK audience. Those are what I would think of as best practices. They are not rules. You don't have to do that. So how do you find one would be the obvious next question. Where do you buy it? Something I also get asked quite a lot. Now, I am based in the UK. I have had dealings with pretty much all of the UK, big UK suppliers of domains, hosting and so on and so forth. And as a result of which, I use an American company called Namecheap. So their address, their domain name in fact, is namecheap.com. Okay, and they're who I would recommend. You can use anybody you like, but these are the people that I like, basically. And so you go to any of these sites, there will usually be a search on the first page. So you see down here it says find your new domain name. So say we wanted to put, this is Gerard's domain. Okay, just looking for something that's likely to be available, and then we just click search. Now, what a lot of these companies do is they'll come up with all the domains that are available. Okay, don't get distracted here. Really, we either want .com or .co.uk. At a stretch, you might want both, but you really don't want to go hoovering up everything that's available, particularly in this day and age where all these new TLDs. There's just a lot of stuff on the market that you do not need. Okay, and this is really quite simple. You might be wondering, incidentally, if I've got an American company that I use, is it okay to buy .co.uk's through them? The answer is absolutely yes. Yeah, you could buy .de if you're in Germany as well, as you can see underneath there. So basically, yeah, you can do that. So when you've decided which one you want, say if I wanted .co.uk, I would simply add it to my basket. You would have to, if we go to view cart over here, that's $7.58, which is rather good value. You can buy these through me if you want as well. They're more expensive, and what you get for the extra money is I deal with any hassles that you might have, basically. But yeah, you can see that's a pretty good deal, really. Then you can get promo codes, incidentally, if you see this over here on the right. So if you do want money off, it's often worth checking, doing a Google search for, say, Namecheap promo code and seeing if there's one hanging around on the internet. Then you just confirm order, and when you do confirm the order, it will ask you to log in or sign up. So you just go through that with your details, and that's that, really. So really very simple. So that's what a domain name is. It is namecheap.com. It is abisti.co.uk. it is bbc.co.uk. It is those names that are at the top of your page, and you will need one for your website. So if you have any problems, just get in touch. I'll be delighted to help you, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.